Let's see. Where does one begin with balance? Let's start on our backs in Shavasana. Your heads could face me, feet towards the feet away from me. Just take a few moments to just be on your mat. Notice your breath. Don't try to alter it, just notice what it's doing. And then notice your heart rate. Notice if there's any tension in your body. Just guide your attention there for a few seconds. Don't try to ease the tension, just notice what it does when you observe it. And then bring your awareness back to your breath. Begin to make it deeper. Take a big breath in through your nose. Fill your belly. And then let that go. Again, big breath in through your nose. Fill your belly and your chest. And let that go. Don't press or force the air out, just let it go. One more time. Big breath in, fill the belly, chest, all the way up to the top of the head. And let it go. Form a basic cyclical breath. Fully in, and then let it go. Fully in, and letting go. Around the edges, no pause between inhale or exhale. Letting go. Fully in. Letting go. Over and over, deep and cyclic, like waves crashing on the beach. The purpose of Hatha Yoga is to combine mind, body, and spirit. The bridge to all three is the breath. Breath is boss. So as we practice, our breath will lead, I will conduct. And start wiggling your toes next. Breathing deeply into your toe tips. And rotate your ankles clockwise, counterclockwise. And let the movement move up to your knees. Wiggle your knees and your hips and thighs. Wiggle your fingertips. Rotate your wrists clockwise, counterclockwise. Wiggle your elbows. Shrug your shoulders. Nod your head no. Shake your head yes. Take a big breath in, reach your arms over your head, point your toes in the other direction, reach toward the front of the room, point the toes. As you exhale, relax your shoulders, hips, feet fall apart.
Turn all the way over onto your belly and take a wide leg child's pose. Sit your hips back onto your feet. Reach your palms forward toward me. Press your hips back. Big breath in. Exhale, relax your shoulders. Relax your hips. Let your forehead melt into the mat. Big breath into your shoulder blades. Relax your shoulders with the exhale. Take an inhale, come up to a tabletop. Shoulders over palms, hips over knees. Pull your belly in, neutral spine. Breathe into a broad chest. Take an inhale, let your belly hang, point your tailbone up. Cat pose or cow pose. As you exhale, round your spine to cat. Tailbone down, round your spine. Inhale to cow. Exhale to cat. Back and forth at your own pace. Lightly grip the mat with your fingertips at the end of your exhale. Spread your fingers wide. Lightly or slightly point your fingers inward towards each other. 2 more, just like that. One more, biggest one of all. And come back to a neutral spine. Breathe into a broad chest. Inhale, curl your toes. Exhale, press your hips up and back, down dog. Walk your dog a bit. Press one heel low, then the other. Breathing into the backs of your knees. And pull your belly in, press your hips up, press your heels down. Stay for the exhale. Walk your feet and meet your hands top of the mat, and then sit your hips back to a prayer squat. Palms together, center of your chest. Breathe into your belly. Stay for the exhale. Inhale, lift your hips, straighten your back. Exhale, fold over. Let your head hang, relax your shoulders. Grab opposite elbows and sway side to side. Continue to breathe into the backs of your knees. Let your head hang towards the mat. Let something unimportant fall out of the top of it and disappear into the mat forever. Release your elbows. Sit your hips low, big inhale. Stay for the exhale. Inhale all the way up, reach up. Exhale to prayer. Tadasana. Take your arms wide and up with the inhale. Grab that left wrist, exhale to the right. Press your hips to the left in space. Ardha Chandrasana, crescent moon pose. Inhale, straighten a little bit. Exhale, arc a little deeper. Inhale to center. Exhale, bend your knees and elbows just a little bit. Inhale, reach high. Grab that right wrist, exhale to the left. Press your hip to the right. Breathe into your right rib cage. Inhale for lift. Exhale to arc a little deeper. Inhale back to center. Exhale to prayer. Big inhale. Exhale to Tadasana. Inhale, arms forward and up. Reach up, take your heels high. Exhale, sink to prayer squat. Inhale, straighten your knees, straighten your back. Exhale, fold. Drop to a prayer squat. Inhale all the way up. Slight bend at the top. Exhale to prayer. Palms on your glutes, fingers facing down. Big inhale, squeeze your shoulders back, activate your glutes. Exhale, arc your upper back up and back. Press your hips forward in space. Not too deep, but also not too shallow. Breathe through a long arcing spine. Imagine there's a string in the center of your chest, lifting you towards the ceiling. Slow inhale back up. Tadasana with the exhale. Soften your gaze and close your eyes. Find your center. Blink your eyes open. Inhale, arms forward and up. Reach up, heels with it. Exhale to prayer squat. Straighten your knees, straighten your back. Inhale. Exhale, fold. Down to the prayer squat. Inhale all the way up. Exhale to prayer. Bring your feet together. Trikonasana, tree pose. Right heel up, right knee out. Inhale, right foot slides up the inner left leg. Exhale it down. Find your balance. Breathing into a broad chest. Pull your belly in, squeeze your glutes. Lightly grip the mat with your toe tips. And once your roots are deep, let your branches grow. Whatever shape they take the tip of your index finger to the tip of your thumb. Breathe through the other three fingers. Inhale to center. Exhale it away. Other side, left heel up, left knee out. Big inhale, left foot up. Drop it down with the exhale. Find your center. And let your branches grow. Let them take a different shape this time. Doesn't matter. As long as you breathe through those other three fingers. Through a broad chest, pull your belly in. Inhale to center. Exhale it away. Keep your feet together. Big inhale, stand tall. Utkatasana with the exhale, knees together, sit your hips low. Palms reach forward, facing each other. Breathing into a broad chest. Lightly grip the mat with your toe tips. Sink your hips low with your exhale. Inhale back up. Separate your feet. Reach your heels high. Exhale, prayer squat. Straighten your knees, straighten your back. Inhale. Fold with the exhale. Inhale, bend your knees, plant your hands. Exhale, step back to a high plank. Drop to your knees, come all the way down to your belly. Baby cobra, inhale, peel your chest and shoulders up. Stay for the exhale.
Is depression clawing at your door? Without a wellness practice, depression, like a zombie, just keeps coming back. A practice with 3 Breaths Wellness brings healing, resilience, and much-needed stress release, sharpening awareness for active adults and athletes worldwide. Our online classes fit any schedule, anywhere. Join our global community or visit our 4 premium partner studios local to Grants Pass, Oregon. Yoga, breathwork, Tai Chi, meditation, athletic and martial arts conditioning. Use code PPM15 for 15% off your first month and get that depression zombie dancing to a new tune. Ah, now that's better. Go to 3breathswellness.org and sign up now.